What's going on, guys? Vinny here, back with another video. And in this video, guys, we're going to do something a little different. We're going to go over and I'm going to show you guys some results our members are getting from using the cheat code indicator in the GSA strategy. So I just wanted to go over that and also show you guys our new updates in our back office and see what you're getting when you purchase the cheat code. So right now I'm inside our private Facebook group, and these are all paid members. We have about 159 members inside of our group right now. And so I'm just going to go through our photos and show you some of the results that some of our members are getting. So one member for the month of June had a 30% increase scalping Nas using a GSA strategy, guys. So they made over $30,000 for the month of June. Okay. Just keep going. Let's see. What is this photo? One member took a trade on Nas 100. What time frame is this? I think this is the 5-minute time frame. All right. They won that trade using the GSA strategy. Another member had passed his My Forex Funds account. All right. He says, this one's for you, Vinny. 100K challenge done and dusted. Yes, we have many members who have passed prop firm challenges using our system, guys. It's very, very simple, easy system. Okay. Let's take a look at another one. He says you went heavy on the lot size, had a super small stop loss, still holding one position. This has made up for any losses. Vinny's trading cheat code works. Follow the strategy. So you can see he took a trade on GBP AUD 1 hour time frame for a buy, 25 lots. Price shot up. Right, price shot up. Excellent trade. Look at that entry. Beautiful, beautiful entry, guys. And this is what the members are, what they're doing by using the cheat code, guys. I'm not the only one who's getting results. There's plenty of members making money with the system. Again, another excellent entry on CAD JPY for a sale. TP's down here. Okay. So these are some of the results you can get from using the cheat code system. Another member made $1,000. Okay. Scalping, what was that? Gold. Made $1,000 right quick. All right. And this just goes on and on, guys. I can go on. Let's scroll down a little bit further down. Okay. Ashley, another member again, passed My Forex Funds thanks to the cheat code. Member posted some of the results by using the strategy. Decent morning. Look at all those different trades that he took. Total of 337 pips, guys. 337 pips just in the morning time using Vinny's trading cheat code. Amazing results. Amazing results. Scroll down a little further. This member says the GSA strategy is fire. Started with $200. All right, started his account with $200, just like I did, and this account is way over that amount. The balance is sitting at $1,500 at the current time for this photo. Okay, so just imagine taking $200 to $1,500 by using this very simple strategy. All right, the GSA strategy. And by using an indicator that actually works, that you can get results with, right? Let's scroll down further. All right. He flipped his account this week. All right. He's made over $4,000 in profit for the week. All right. By using Vinny's trading cheat code. That's excellent results, guys. Excellent results. Actually, that's amazing. All right. All blues. That's what I like to see. That's why the company's called Blue Signal FX. All blues. He says the GSA strategy is what I recommend to all traders coming into the markets. It teaches you patience, proper risk management, and the most important, it's a strategy that helps you build your confidence when you're getting into the market. Wow, that's perfectly said. So just wanted to show you guys that we got plenty members getting results using Vinnie's trading cheat code, guys. So what do you get once you purchase the cheat code? So let's take a look at what you get. So let's go to the sales page. So this is the sales page here. Here's a small little video that plays. It's about 5 minutes. It actually explains what the cheat code is. Okay. Blue Signal FX is the name of the company, trading cheat code. You'll get a trading journal, you'll get the indicator, and you also get our strategy, the GSA strategy. Okay. Now, this indicator provides you with highly, highly accurate buy and sell signals. Okay. It's unlike anything you've ever seen in the market. And here's some examples of the cheat code, buy and sell signals. And again, here's more testimonies that you can see that our members are getting by using Vinnie's trading cheat code and GSA strategy, guys. It's just tons and tons and testimonies. This is not even half of the testimonies. Okay. So this is a sales page. Again, you can become an affiliate. If you want to become an affiliate, Vinnie's trading cheat code, you can earn $100 from your direct sales. Okay. You can earn $50 for your indirect sales. So that means that the person that you refer, if they happen to refer someone to get the cheat code, you'll earn $50 simply by doing nothing. Okay. So it's an excellent way to earn some extra money from a system and an indicator that actually works. Right. So once you purchase the cheat code, you're going to click here, join the day. It's going to take you to create your account. You're going to make your payment by Bitcoin. And once you do that, guys, you'll be brought to the back office. So here's our back office. We have our announcement tab. Okay. Every Sunday, we have a weekly live analysis. So you can just come here and click cheat code live analysis overview, and it will take you straight to that page. All right. And it starts at 7 p.m. If any reason that it changes, you'll be updated in the announcements tab. Okay. Remember, 4-hour signal, 1-hour break and retest. So you come here, you watch the welcome video. It explains to you all the features of the back office. Again, this is your own personal sales page. Okay. Your username will be here. And we have our postcard page for those who want to send out postcards. When you click on Vinnie's Trading Cheat Code, you'll go to how to set up the cheat code. You'll be brought here. Here's where you can learn how the cheat code works, the settings, GSA strategy, and how to set alerts. And also you can add the cheat code. Okay. Other features that we have are downloads. You can download Vinnie's Trading Cheat Code PDF and also download the GSA strategy PDF. All right. You can also join our monthly coaching program. This will give you access to our Facebook group, okay, where we have weekly trainings. Also, you get access to our signals group, our Telegram group, our paid Telegram group, where you'll get signals on a weekly basis. Again, we got live Zoom training every single week. Another thing that we do offer is our advertising rotator. So how this works is pretty cool. All right. So if you become an affiliate and you want to make extra money, you know, me personally, I every time I make a video or make a post, I always refer people to Vinnie'sTradingCheatCode.com. So by them going to Vinnie'sTradingCheatCode.com is going to bring them to this page here. Okay. So once they come to this page, they're going to have to click on active reseller. So once they click on active reseller, your link can be a part of this rotator. So when they click here, it's possibly that they can go to your actual sales page when they're ready to purchase Vinnie's Trading Cheat Code, and you can get credit simply by joining the advertising rotator. Okay. Then you can edit your profile. You can set up your payments. Again, you can join the advertising rotator. We have some direct mail secrets where we teach you how to properly mail the postcards. And then we also have some direct mail resources where you can order the postcards, order stamps at 50% off, and you can also get direct mail leads. Okay. So that's basically it. What you're getting with Vinnie's Trading Cheat Code. Again, this page here is going to be updated with current trainings to help you guys succeed and become consistently profitable traders. So again, Click the link in the bio, guys. Go ahead and go to our sales page, get signed up, get the indicator, join the family, okay? Because we want you to be consistently profitable traders. So thank you. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.